Hi everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today with a haul video. I got a few things, so it might take maybe 7 minutes or so, but let's jump right in. So, I was able to catch Simon Says Stamps 99-cent sale, so let me show you what I got from there. I went to a few stores, so we're going to start out with Simon Says Stamp. Anyways, I thought this was the actual distress ink they got me. or I got myself. It was the little pen. So I got a pen. And then they had this, and this was 99 cents, and it says Miss You. As well as these, so I got two of these. These are for your ink pads, so you can just pop them right on there and they'll hold it in place. And so I got two of those. As you see, I've already been using this one. And then I also picked up this, which was 99 cents. And so since I was getting this, I got this one. And then I actually got two of these. So as you see, I've already used those. As well as this, and this is just the thing where you can make your own custom blend. So I got that. And then these were a quarter, and I didn't think I would like the glue stick anymore. Anyways, it was a quarter, and I was actually buying it for my grandchildren. Wish I had picked up more, because this goes on so smooth. It is great. I really liked it. So anyways, I showed my daughter. She said the next time they have a sale like that, give her $10 worth. I like this, so it's really, really nice. And then I also got this little mini mister. And then up next, I went to Spellbinders. And I picked up this cane weave stencil. And I want to say this was $3 maybe, I can't remember. I know these were $1, so I picked up one extra. So I thought I would get that in my giveaway pile. But this is really nice. You get a lot for that $1. And I think the sale is off now, so if you missed out, hopefully they'll have another one soon. But and then these were $3, and I really like these. I like the way they used this. They turned it into an ornament there, but I really like that jingle all the way, which really drove me to get it. So $3 for that one, and $3 for this one as well. And there goes All Is Calm, and I think the other one says Let It Snow. So I thought those were really cute. And then I also picked up this here. And this was $5. So great price. Didn't have cookie dice, but now I do. And then I also got this dust cover. So I'm going to try that out on my Gemini machine. Hopefully it'll cover it up. If not, I've lost $3. It is what it is. Then I went over to Simon Says Stamp again. They had this for $10 one day. They had a section for half off, and this was in that. So I was so happy to pick that up. I said I might pick it up, and I did. So I got that. And then I went over to My Creative Time. She had her new release, which I only purchased this, but I am gonna go back and get that purse and a few other items. I keep on doing it to myself. I don't know why I just didn't go ahead and pick it up when I seen it, but I didn't. But I did get the freebie, and that was her freebie. It's a really nice freebie as well. I like that. And then Gloria was showing me her Band-Aids, and I was just like, man, I should have got those. So I went back and got them. All right, up next is from the Amazon store, and I scored. I scored there. I was really, really happy to pick these up. I'm just going to bring everything right over. Oh, before I show you all of this, I did pick up this mat here from Tuesday Morning. And so let me know what you think about the black mat versus the teal mat or turquoise mat that I had. I've been looking for a black mat, and so I ended up getting that. But let me go ahead and show you this here. So we're going to start out with this. This was all in one pack. Came all in one pack, and I went there on a $2 day. So I got this, and this, and this came in one pack. I picked this up. This was $2 as well. And it is missing this here. So I was kind of bummed about that. And you can't open the packages there or you'll get kicked out. So, but I still was able to get these there. So I was cool with that. And then this was a score. $2 for 200 sheets of this Cougar digital color paper, super smooth, and it is super smooth. I love it, and it's a nice weight. It's 100 pound cardstock, and it's really good. I did use it on a card base, and I really like it. So that was 200 sheets of that. So I was so excited about that. And then I also was able to get some of these clear bags. So I went a couple different days. So this one was $2. Actually, I think she gave me this free. She didn't charge me for that. So this one was free. And I went on another day and I picked up this one, which was $3. So I picked up that. She gave me this free on the $2 day. So I was happy about that. And then I found some vinyl, and this was $3 on the $3 day. So this has, I want to say 50 sheets maybe? I don't remember. 48 sheets. 48 sheets, and these are all the colors. And so this is not the kind that you use on shirts. I want to say you can use it on like plastic or something like that. So got that. And this has all of those colors there, as you can see. And then this one has black and white in it, and it's the same thing where you can use on your plastic. You know, I want to do cups or something like that. And this one has white and black in it, and it's 50 sheets. So, and they had two of these, but I only picked up one because I don't craft much with this. So, but I did think it was a great buy, so I went ahead and picked those up. So, this is what I have for you for this week. I'll be having another haul probably in the next up and coming weeks. I did order some more stuff, and so I'll show you all of that when I get those. Thank you so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.